Hi, my name is Iman Isa. I'm from project specification team doing specification for Saint-Gobain, Malaysia. I have been with the company for 6 years. Saint-Gobain was incorporated in 1665. Started off with glass manufacturing. Saint-Gobain is a world leader in habitat and construction market. Saint-Gobain design, manufacturers, and distribute innovative, high-performance building materials and solutions. Saint-Gobain celebrated its 350 years anniversary and we are present in 70 countries. Saint-Gobain owns the largest plasterboard manufacturing plant in Malaysia to serve Singapore and Malaysia market. Saint-Gobain Group owns several business units in Malaysia, which is divided into two sectors. Gyprock, Weber, and Emix falls under the construction material sector, followed by innovative materials, which is Saint-Gobain Glass, Exprove, Securit, Ep1, and Norton. We was formerly known as BPB, British Plasterboard Malaysia. In 2005, Saint-Gobain acquired BPB and officially changed to Gyprock in 2008. We have been present in Malaysia ever since. Gyprock is located at Port Klang, Bandar Sultan Sulaiman. Gyprock products are compliant to BSEN 520 and ASTM C1396. Gyprock is approved and certified by Jabatan Bomba Malaysia for Class O material and fire rating performance according to BS 476 standard. We are certified and rated 4 ticks by SGBC, Singapore Green Building Council. Our vision is to commit sustainability and environmental friendly in construction industry. IBS is an industrialized building system in Malaysia, which is recognized by CIDB. According to CIDB, there are 6 common types of IBS system, which is steel framework system, timber frame system, blockwork system, precast concrete system, formwork system, and innovative system, which is Gyprock drywall, falls under this category. Gyprock drywall system are exempted based on reduction of site labor, lower total construction cost, faster project completion, cleaner environment, better quality, neater and safer construction site, less site material, and lower wastage.